Garnish the dish, enhancing your culinary creations. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a very flavorful phrase in English: garnish the dish. This expression is not just about cooking, but it's also a great way to spice up your English language skills. So, let's dive in and add some flavor to our learning. Garnish the dish refers to the act of adding decorative or flavorful elements to a meal. But it's not just about making food look pretty. Garnishing is about enhancing the overall appeal of a dish, both visually and tastefully. It's like putting the final touch that makes a meal go from good to great. In cooking, garnishes can range from a sprinkle of chopped herbs to elaborate fruit carvings. For instance, a sprig of parsley on a steak or a lemon slice on a fish dish. These additions not only make the dish look more attractive but also add subtle flavors or aromas. Interestingly, we can use garnish the dish metaphorically in English. When someone adds extra details to enhance a story or a presentation, it's like they are garnishing their narrative. It makes the content more engaging and appealing to the audience. Garnishing effectively means choosing elements that complement the main dish without overpowering it. It's about balance and harmony. Whether you're garnishing food or a story, the key is to enhance, not overshadow the main component. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, garnish the dish, and its uses in both culinary and linguistic contexts. Remember, just like in cooking, a little garnish can go a long way in language too. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.